Hi, Haley Friedman here, My Agent Haley, and today we're going to talk to you about express offers. I am with eXp Realty of California, and Express Offers is our iBuyer platform. Basically, it's how to get cash for your homes. So, what is Express Offers? It's the ability to get you cash for your home. But first, what I'd like to do before we get into all of that is I'd like to introduce you to the things that motivate me most, which is my family and helping and serving people. So let's take a quick look. Be sure to click like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. You don't want to miss out any content that I have.
I relocated to the greater Sacramento area over 30 years ago as a family of 4 to plant our roots. What makes a place a home are the connections one makes to the community. Whether you're looking to buy or list your home, building the bridge to your next destination can be accomplished through my integration services. Integration through connections is what it's all about. From our family to yours, we say, welcome home. Licensed realtor in California, serving all Californians.
Now you know a little bit more about me, and today's video, again, all the series that I will be doing is about educating, equipping, and giving back to people in my community, whether it's other real estate agents, my clients that are looking to buy homes, and my clients that are looking to sell homes. I'm here to serve and give back, and that's what it's all about. Again, let's get back into Express Offers Certified. We have Express Offers is a eXp World Holdings company. So this is an iBuyer platform. Just really briefly, it's basically a way that you can sit down and meet with someone who's Express Offers certified like myself, and we can either sit down and go over things with you, or we can actually, there will be some information that you can click down below, fill out your information, and I can get you over Express Offers forms that you will be able to read, see if you agree with, and if it's something that fits for listing your home. With that in mind, I want to go ahead and talk about the 4 things that are the benefits of using Express Offers. 1, you sell your home quickly. 2, you skip the hassle of staging and showings and getting everything all put together. And then 3, and having people in and out of your home. And then 3 is getting a competitive cash offer. And 4, there's no bank approval needed. These are just buyers that are institutional buyers. That's what an iBuyer is, an institutional buyer that comes in and basically they look for certain criteria, and that's something that I can go over with you. I do a deeper This is like one of those parts that you would be editing right now. Okay, so anyway, Express Offers, again, I'm Express Offers certified. There is cash buyers, they're iBuyers, they're institutional buyers. That basically means that they don't need bank approval or anything like that, and they're going out there and they're looking at what's available. There are institutional buyers in your marketplace that are constantly looking for distressed homes, homes that maybe you don't have the time, energy, or money to fix up. Maybe it was a family member's home that's been left in an estate and you just need to turn it quick. That's something that a cash offer is going to do for you with an institutional buyer. Now, the beauty of working with someone who is certified and an eXp certified Express Offers is that we do both in our communities. So 1 is we have access to the cash buyers, but 2 is oftentimes people see what the cash offer is and they're like, well, gosh, especially in today's market with low inventory, we believe that we can get more for our home. You absolutely can. So that would mean, getting the house put onto your local MLS system, and that you would be into contract with that. So there are a lot of intricacies with it. The bottom line is this: you reduce the risk and the hassle by just selling it for cash. And then if you decide you want more money than that, you can go ahead and not accept any of the offers that come through, which will come back in 2 weeks or less. But you can go ahead and talk with your Express certified agent about getting it listed in your local listings. So I hope this has been informative to you. I do have handouts. Don't forget, go ahead, and if you're interested in more details about the Express Offers and how that works, there's lots of platforms out there, people offering you money for your house, and then they turn around and sell it for more. I know there's a lot of people in my market that are like, hey, wait a minute, that's not right. But at the same time, when you're buying from large institutions or selling to a large institution, there's not a lot on the disclosure side and a lot of information that's coming to you, it all kind of moves very quickly. So having an express certified agent to be able to give you that option of having a cash buyer, one of the institutional buyers that can come in and pay you cash quickly and have a quick close with no bank approval needed, or the other option, which is listing it in your multiple listing service, and what that would look like and what that would entail. You have options. With me, as an express offers certified agent, you have options. So it's really important before you make this type of a decision, you right now, if you have a home and you're thinking about listing it, you have a treasure. They are very difficult to find because we have low inventory across the nation. So take your time. We can move quickly, but sit down and make sure you know your options. Myself, Express Offers certified, I can help work with you anywhere across the nation. I can get you in connection with an agent that can actually sit down and list the home for you if you decide not to take the cash offer. So reach out today. Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon, ding, 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 ding. Don't forget, Haley Friedman, my agent Haley. I'm here to bring you information to help educate, equip, and take you to the next level in your real estate needs. And don't forget to check out some more of my videos. And also, you can comment in below. Let me know what it is that you'd like to see. I know some of the ones that we have coming up will be how to choose a real estate agent. We have lots of different things that maybe why I chose EXP if you're a real estate agent and you're wondering why I chose this as a career. So there'll be lots of content, lots of information, but go ahead and drop it down there on the notes or questions section, comment section of the YouTube video of things that you'd like to see up and coming, because I'm here to equip, educate, and help serve you in the areas that you're looking for real estate. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.